In the realm of business management, the acronyms and software categories can sometimes feel like alphabet soup. One term you'll frequently encounter is CRM, standing for Customer Relationship Management. CRM software is designed to help businesses manage and nurture their interactions with current and potential customers, ultimately aiming to improve relationships and drive sales. Given the prevalence and importance of CRM, businesses often evaluate their existing software to see if it fits this crucial role. A common question that arises, especially for businesses already using Sage products, is Sage a CRM software? To answer this question directly, it's essential to understand that Sage offers a range of software solutions. And while some of these solutions have CRM functionalities, Sage is not solely a dedicated CRM software provider in the same vein as Salesforce or HubSpot. Instead, Sage primarily focuses on accounting and financial management software. However, they do offer specific products that are designed with CRM capabilities in mind or integrate with dedicated CRM systems. Let's break down the Sage ecosystem to clarify this further. Sage has a diverse portfolio of software aimed at different business sizes and needs. Their core offerings traditionally revolve around accounting, payroll, and enterprise resource planning, ERP. These systems are crucial for managing a business's financial health, inventory, and operational processes. While these functions indirectly touch upon customer interactions, for instance, through invoicing and sales order processing, they don't encompass the full spectrum of features that define a modern CRM system. A true CRM system typically provides functionalities such as contact management, lead management, sales automation, marketing automation, customer service tools, and reporting and analytics, one focused specifically on customer interactions. These features enable businesses to track every touchpoint with a customer, from initial contact to post-sales support, allowing for personalized communication, efficient sales processes, and a deeper understanding of customer needs and behaviors. 1. Online.ps5japan.com. Online.ps5japan.com. Within the Sage product family, there are solutions that specifically address CRM needs. For example, Sage CRM is a dedicated CRM platform offered by Sage. This product is designed to provide businesses with the tools necessary for effective customer relationship management. It includes features like Salesforce automation, marketing campaign management, and customer service management, aligning it directly with the capabilities of other standalone CRM systems. However, it's crucial to distinguish Sage CRM from Sage's core accounting and ERP products. While these core products might have some basic customer-related features, such as storing customer contact information and tracking sales invoices, they lack the depth and breadth of functionality found in a dedicated CRM like Sage CRM or other third-party CRM systems. Think of it this way. Sage's accounting software is like the central nervous system for your company's finances, handling transactions, reporting, and compliance. A CRM, on the other hand, is more like the relationship hub, focusing on interactions, communication history, and strategies for engaging with customers. While these two are interconnected and both vital for business success, they serve distinct primary purposes. Many businesses that use Sage's accounting or ERP software also recognize the need for a dedicated CRM to manage their customer relationships effectively. In such cases, integration becomes key. Sage often provides options to integrate its accounting and ERP systems with dedicated CRM platforms, including its own Sage CRM and other popular CRM solutions. This integration allows for a seamless flow of data between the financial and customer-facing aspects of the business. For instance, sales opportunities tracked in the CRM can eventually lead to invoices generated in the Sage accounting system, providing a holistic view of the customer journey and its financial impact. Therefore, when considering if Sage is a CRM software, the most accurate answer is nuanced. While Sage offers a specific CRM product called Sage CRM, their primary focus lies in accounting and financial management software. Businesses looking for comprehensive CRM capabilities should either explore Sage CRM or consider integrating their existing Sage accounting system with a dedicated CRM platform that better suits their needs for sales, marketing, and customer service management. For businesses already deeply embedded in the Sage ecosystem for their financial operations, Exploring Sage CRM as a complementary solution can offer the advantage of potential seamless integration and a unified vendor. However, it's essential to thoroughly evaluate Sage CRM's features and compare them to other CRM options on the market to ensure it meets the specific requirements of your sales, marketing, and customer service teams. In conclusion, while the name Sage might be synonymous with business software, it's not inherently a CRM in its core accounting and ERP offerings. However, with its dedicated Sage CRM product and integration capabilities with other CRM systems, Sage acknowledges and addresses the critical need for customer relationship management within a comprehensive business software strategy. Understanding this distinction is crucial for businesses seeking to optimize both their financial operations and their customer engagement efforts.